Here we have a 1000 watt heat gun powered by a single Nature's generator Lithium 1800. You can see on the LCD screen that the current runtime is 34 minutes. Step 1. Connect the link cable, matching red to red, black to black, and green to ground. Make sure each connection is secure and fully seated. This ensures both units communicate properly and share power safely. Double check the colors to avoid any misconnection. Once the link cable is connected, turn on both Lithium 1800 generators. You'll notice the units are synchronized, ready to combine their power for longer runtimes. Now, we'll power up the heat gun again. As you can see on the LCD screen, the runtime has increased to almost 1 hour, effectively doubling the power of a single unit. You can also access a dedicated 3600 watt outlet by using the Lithium 1800 combiner, giving you even more power for larger tools, devices, or even an RV.